Welcome! In this quick guide, I'll show how to set your gender to male on Instagram using a PC, based on the latest update. The steps are simple and you can follow along in just a minute. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your profile settings without any interruptions. Once you're inside the app, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see 3 horizontal lines. Click on those lines to open the main menu. This is where Instagram keeps most of the important account options. From the menu that appears, go ahead and click on Settings. This will take you to the section where you can manage your account details and personal information. Inside Settings, find and click on Edit Profile. This is the area where you can update things like your name, bio, and other personal details linked to your account. Now scroll down until you find the gender option. Click on it and you'll see different choices available. From here, simply select Male. After selecting Male, make sure you confirm the change by clicking on Submit. This step is important because without submitting, your update won't be saved. And that's it. Your gender is now set to male on your Instagram profile. The whole process is quick and straightforward once you know where everything is. If you ever need to change it again, you can follow the exact same steps anytime. Instagram keeps this option flexible so you can update your information whenever you want. Thanks for watching.